Hi everyone, it's Jan here. I am back from the FAB, or the Fluid Art Boutique in the US, and I just wanted to show you what I came home with. First of all, the t-shirt, signed by Cathleen, Mina, Sarah, and Karen. Love it. It's gonna be my painting t-shirt. And I wanted to show you some of the deliciousness that I came home with. Here in the background, except for the two paintings at the far back, and pardon all my tools, those are paintings that I've done here at home. But the others in front of that is stuff that I did at the boutique. They made it home good. They managed in my carry-on. And I'll actually be having a few more that I did when I went to visit Cathleen. It was an awesome visit. I made some really nice paintings, and it was great to hang out with Cathleen and Rick outside of FAB. So that was wonderful. And while I was in Florida, actually, I went to visit them in Fort Myers. So that was cool. Those paintings will be arriving shortly. My friends will bring them to Barcelona for me. And yeah, I'll show you when they get here. You may have seen the video already of one of them. The swipe that I did with Cathleen came out really cool. Anyway, these are the paintings that I did. I did this little stencil with Mina. That was so much fun. I wish I had done more, but I didn't have time for it. And just some of the other ones that I managed to take home with me. And then some of the deliciousness that I either was gifted or bought or had pre-ordered to be delivered in Florida while I was there. So a lot of TOPs, Artist Loft, what is it, metallic cobalt blue. Kathleen thought that I should have some of those, as you can see, so thank you for that. Also the Deco Art metallic rich espresso, which is one that I know that Cathleen uses a lot. This one, Arteza Bordeaux Red. I think it's hard to get. I'm not sure, but definitely I tried it in Sarah's class for my Rect Pour. It is a beautiful red. I'm definitely gonna try to do something similar like the Rect Pour that I did, but just not wreck it, because it actually came out really nice without the wrecking. But yeah, that's one. And then I have these two Amsterdams. I think they're, what is this one? You can see Prussian Blue Phthalo and Permanent Blue Violet. And Mix Pour from Krista. Excuse me. I bought that one. It made it home whole. I had all this in my suitcase. I was really worried that I was gonna have paint all over my suitcase, but that didn't happen. This one, thank you Taneva. Taneva decided to collect all the GAG 800 in a mixed bottle because, well, yeah, Kathleen was just gonna throw it out because she couldn't bring it home, and Taneva got it poured in this mixed bottle, got it sealed, and then when she found out that it's gold to me here in Europe, she actually asked me to take it. So thank you, Taneva. Awesome. And then I had ordered some Deco Art. Not all of these. The funny thing is that the ones that you see that are MS silver, this white one, and the pewter, they are a mess because they were the ones that got delivered by Deco Art to my friend in Florida. The others that I brought home myself, they did not explode. So, but again, thankfully, nothing ended up in the suitcase. Lots of Deco Art of these small bottles. Thank you, Cathleen. All kinds of different delicious colors. This one is not a peacock pearl. It is a golden phthalo turquoise. with some peacock pearl in it that Cathleen and I actually used in the paintings that we did when I was there. So she insisted that I took some of it home with me because I loved that color in the little collaboration that we made. This is gonna be a long video. Wow. Okay. Some of these were in the gift bags that we got at the FAB. This Josanja gloss varnish was in the gift bag. Also made it home whole, no spill in the suitcase. And did I already mention the little piggies? I think I did. This was in the gift bag. Fluid art mixing sticks. Thank you. And Kathleen's postcard, Sarah's postcard from the Fluid Art Boutique, Sarah's awesome personalized chopsticks. Sadly, I didn't get any cards from Mina's and Karen's classes. I forgot. But yeah, so all awesome. It was such a great experience. Oh, also these little, I have some stencils that Mina gave me, and these little tools. This one was used for the Ninja Swipe, for this one. Zoom out. Yeah, for this one. So we had some smaller tools because obviously we couldn't do it on big canvases. So yeah, all in all, just awesome. Great. And it was such a wonderful experience. I really hope that I can do it again. Met so many great people and really just had a wonderful time. So, thanks. I guess I'll post this on YouTube. Why not? It's not a boring video, but anyway. So, hope you all have a great day and talk to you soon. And, oh yeah, J-Man is my new name because some people, Cathleen and others, had some issues pronouncing my name because I made it an issue to not say Jan, which really doesn't sit well with me. So, but they, yeah, tried to come up with ways to say my name and ended up by deciding that J-Man would probably be the easiest. So I guess that's my name now. Love you all. Bye.